If you need to create a diagram, flowchart, or a visual process map quickly, Lucidchart is one of the easiest tools to get started with. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Lucidchart diagram step by step, from setting up your account all the way to sharing and exporting your finished work. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the Lucidchart website. If you already have an account, you can log in right away using your Google, Microsoft, or email credentials. If you're new, sign up for a free account first. The sign-up process is quick, and once you're in, Lucidchart will take you straight to your dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the plus new button. This is where you begin a fresh diagram. When you click it, you'll usually have two main options. You can start with a blank document if you want full control over the layout, or you can choose a template if you want a pre-made structure to save time. Templates are great if you're making a flowchart, organizational chart, network diagram, or process map, and you want to move faster. Once your new document opens, you'll see the editor. On the left side, you'll find the shape menu. This is where Lucidchart stores all the blocks, symbols, and diagram elements you'll use. To add a shape, simply click and drag it onto the canvas. You can drop it wherever you want, then move it around until your layout starts to take shape. If you need more specialized diagram components, scroll to the bottom of the left panel and click plus shapes. From there, you can enable extra libraries like UML, engineering, or network shapes. This is really useful when you need more advanced diagramming options that aren't shown by default. Now, let's add text to your shapes. Double-click any shape and start typing. You can label each step, process, or department right inside the shape. Then, use the formatting bar at the top to adjust the font, size, text color, filter color, and border thickness. This is where you can make your diagram look cleaner, more professional, and easier to read. As you build out the diagram, you'll want to connect your shapes together. To do that, hover over a shape and look for the small colored dots that appear along the edges. These dots are connection points. Click one of them and drag the line to the next shape you want to connect. Lucidchart will automatically create the connector for you. After the connector is in place, click the line if you want to customize it. You can change the arrow style, the line thickness, and the line type, or even add text labels to explain the connection. This is especially helpful if you're making a flowchart or any diagram where the direction and sequence matter. Take your time here to arrange everything neatly. Try to keep your shapes aligned, your spacing consistent, and your connectors easy to follow. A good diagram isn't just about adding boxes and arrows, it's about making the information simple to understand at a glance. Once your Lucidchart diagram is finished, it's time to share it. Click the share button in the top right corner if you want to invite other people by email or generate a link they can view. This makes collaboration easy if you're working with a team, class, or client. If you want to save a copy to your computer, go to File, then Export. From there, choose your preferred format, such as PNG, PDF, or SVG. That way you can use your diagram in presentations, reports, websites, or documents, and that's it. You now know how to create a Lucidchart diagram from start to finish. You signed in, created a new document, added shapes, connected your flow, and exported your finished work. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.